Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn what is SQL and what data types used in SQL Server. Let's start. SQL Structured Query Language is a standard programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It allows you to perform tasks like querying, inserting, updating, and deleting data from databases. SQL is essential for interacting with databases and is used by database administrator, developers, and analysts to access any managed data efficiently. It means that you have to create your own database in which you have to create a data and use for analysis purpose and storing data like data warehouse. Let's move how to create the table in SQL Server. This is the basic syntax of the creating tables. We have to use create table name, and then column 1. If you have two columns like this, then you have to use create table name, column 1 data type, column 2 and data type. This will create a blank table. After that, you have to insert the values in table. How to insert values? This is the syntax of the inserting values. Insert into table name, you have to use the table name, and then what column you have created, you have to use here column 1, column 2, and then values. What value you have to store? Value 1 comma value 2. The table will be created, and then this is the basic syntax where you have to select the column. Like, you have to select the both column, then you have to use the select column 1, column 2 from table name. Where condition, you have to use the condition. uh, for example, you have to uh, retrieve data column 1, column 2, where you have a salary column, and you have to retrieve data salary greater than 500. So you have to use select column 1, column 2 from table name where salary greater than 5000 order by column 1. This will retrieve the data from both the columns. Let's move to the data types. Basic SQL data types. What data type used in SQL Server? First is numeric data types. It contains integer, decimal, and float or double. Integer data type for whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And decimal like 1, 2, 3, 5.45. This is the fixed point number. Next is float or double. The floating point number used for approximate numbers with decimal. For example, 3.14. This is the same, decimal and float are same, but it will use in different domain. Like if you are using the SQL Server, then decimal is used. If you use the another like MySQL, then you have to use the float. Next is string data type. It contains character, char, varchar, text. You have to write like this: varchar in bracket 255. You have to use you can use any number like 20, 50, 30, 50, like this. And it will if you are using varchar 255, it means that you can store up to 255 characters. If you are using char, this is a fixed length string. If you are using char 10, it means that it will store only 10 characters, not up to, but only 10 characters. Text for large text field, like for paragraph or length. Next is date and time data types. This will contain date time, and timestamp. Date store date values, time store time values, and date time store both date and time. Timestamp store date and time with time zone support. And the last is Boolean data types. What is Boolean data types? It stores true or false values. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.